In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore maximum health in one's human. So this is actually very easy. As you can see down there, I'm currently at just over a bit half of my health, and at the very right of my health, if you can see, there's kind of this weird looking changing thing that kind of depleted my health, and I can't rehab to the end of it. And there's actually two ways of getting that back and getting your full health back. The first one, and the easiest and by far the quickest one, is by using a fastering gel, which is this thing over here. You simply have to have it synced to your cradle, and then what you want to do is simply put it down on the ground by holding down your E key and panning your mouse towards the build fortification, and it's going to place down your fastering gel over here. As you can see, it's starting to heal me, and it already healed me to a point where I don't have that anymore, and my full health has been restored. Now, the second way of doing this, which is a bit slower, but works if you don't have the fastering gel, is simply to craft a bed and go into bed. You will have to lay in for quite some time, maybe even for a few minutes for this to go away. However, it will help you, and it will eventually go away and be able to restore your maximum health. So that's pretty much it. That's how to restore your maximum health in one's human. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.